It's Key. And we back. Look at this filter. Look at my eyebrows. We back with another unboxing. This is from Empress. She is no newbie either. I have a bonnet with my logo on there. So I'm opening up the package now. Oh, I slid it across. I ain't want to. So I ordered another bonnet. Get to the side. So I ordered a bonnet from Miss Empress. So you know it come with the care instructions, and you know I love her packaging. And look at the business code. Everything is uniform, baby. Let's go. Then I have, look at this, so pretty. This ponytail holder. Put it on my hair right now. I gotta give me some yellow though, or some black. And this is what I ordered, a bonnet. Y'all look how pretty this bonnet is. Stop playing. Black girl magic. Stop playing. Y'all know what they adjustable. But look how cute this bonnet is. And they have all the different sayings on here. I'm gonna give me another bonnet made. I want one made with my mom on there. It's in heaven. But I just want to pick the right picture. And then she gave me a freebie. Look at this, y'all. Keys Delicate Secret. It's pink and it's in purple. Girl, stop playing with me. Cause hold on, let me show y'all. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. This is from Empress. Make sure y'all go support Empress. Make sure I had to put that on because I want to try to see it. Let me see. We still got some time. So hold on. Let me be quick. Oh, let me be quick. Squeeze that down. Girl, look at me. I'm too excited. I'm about to knock the little glasses off my face. Y'all, look at this bonnet. Mm-hmm. Do 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 do. Make sure y'all go support Empress.